Hello guys, it's Vicky's up here. So this is my college bag. I use this literally every day and it's starting to wear off a little bit here and there, a little bit of here as well. So I just want to do something simple on it, just to make it look fair. So these are the materials I'll be using, basically glitter, paint, and then brush to just spread it out. Now this is a bit dry, like it's actually dry. I'm going to use a little bit of gold glitter over it, as well as pink. So while this is getting dry, I'm preparing the chain that I'm gonna use across the bag. So I'll be showing you guys what I'm doing in a second. So honestly, I'm using this belt thingy I got from a night wear, and I just got this chain. I had this chain rather, and it was actually very affordable. So maybe I'll leave a link. But basically, I'm just joining them together so that I can get that, combination of color. So I'm just passing the belt through the hole in the chain, and that's it.